Here I have Samsung Galaxy F23, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to connect your phone to the USB cable, which is connected to the computer. So firstly you have to turn off, then you have to turn off your Samsung, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and hold it until the menu appears. Like recovery mode menu. Here in the recovery mode menu you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and to enter Fastboot you have to select the second option, reboot to Bootloader. And after that you will enter Fastboot mode, and that's how it looks. So in the Fastboot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, just as in the previous menu. And you have such options as Start, Restart Bootloader, Recovery Mode, Power Off, Boot to FFBM, Boot to QMMI, and that's it, and Start. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option Start and your device will be restarted. No, wait, it's not will be restarted. It will turn you back to the previous menu. Here in this menu you have to select an option Reboot System Now, and after that your device will be restarted 100%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.